Here's a big myth that stops a lot of people. The idea that you need to be technical or know how to code to run a software business. That used to be true, but not anymore. Today, many successful entrepreneurs don't build software at all. Instead, they use software that already exists, brand it as their own, and sell access to it as a monthly subscription. Think of it like this. You don't need to build a car to run a car dealership. You don't need to manufacture products to build a brand. The same idea now applies to software. White label software platforms let you add your own branding, use your own domain, and offer software as part of your business. This is especially powerful for people who are good at sales, marketing, building relationships, and spotting opportunities. The technical side is handled for you. Your job is simply to position the software, communicate the value, and put it in front of the right audience. This is why more agencies, consultants, and entrepreneurs are adding white label subscription software to their business. Not because they love technology, but because it creates recurring income without needing a development team. One of the best places to find white label software is at clicksaas.com. They have some great software options that can you up and running in just a few days.